What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol INO for Inovio Pharmaceuticals. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, yes, this will be an update. You can see we've certainly marked up the chart from this section in here. However, a trade idea is starting to unfold in my estimation. If we zoom in a bit on the daily, what you'll notice is that we have a big green bar coming into a kind of known area of resistance right here. You could even say it's technically broken if you want to go off of some of these highs, which are slightly underneath that white line that we have on the chart at 727. Call it 720, okay? So you can see that real clearly here on the 30-minute, actually. That's a good example. So let's go ahead and just throw that on just as a sort of guide, okay? So what I'm thinking is if we can either, two things really, okay? So first thing would be little pullback, retest, puts into play a breakout, in which case the obvious target is here, daily 50 SMA, and then the prior bottom end of this range at $7.73. Or scenario number two would just be no pullback whatsoever, and it just goes, okay? So something like this. In the post-market, we're currently trading 722 by 728, so a little bit of a spread there, but basically right around this high. So it's not definitively broken in the pre-market, and post-market, and we also have not definitively pulled back, so patience. One of these two setups could essentially unfold. In terms of levels to pay attention to on the pullback scenario, let's go ahead and take out the Fibonacci's come in from the low of the day here up to the high, and just get a sense for where that 38.2 is, kind of right in line actually with prior highs in here, prior high, make pretend with me for a second, as well as lows, okay? So 708 is the number to be watching. Let's go ahead and throw that on with a regular price level. Then of course we'll talk one more time, just refresh on those scenarios. Thank you for the click, think or swim. So again, here we go. From the daily perspective, a consolidation bar that looks like this, could look like a hammer candle here, could look like a fat bodied doji, could look like a number of things, but that is fine, puts into play a bull flag, and again, the break takes us to here, 773. That is the ideal pullback mark. Anything underneath 708, I would start to say be careful. We could head into these lows closer to 680. Let's go ahead and throw an official level on there just so we're aware. That's more like 670, okay? So my eyes were off by about 10 cents. Need to get those things calibrated a bit. That's what I'm thinking about here inside of INO. Hopefully this setup was helpful. I do like it. It's attractive. This is a low. This is a higher low. All we need now is a new higher high to sort of confirm a new uptrend to start here inside of INO. That's going to wrap up the video. If you enjoyed it or learned anything new today, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.